Hi, I'm Crystal Elkins. I'm a preschool teacher here at Milton-Union. I work for Miami County, and I have been in preschool this is my 29th year. I have worked in Dayton and Piqua and Milton-Union. I live in Dayton. I am married. I have 2 grown children. I have 3 wonderful granddaughters. I like to go to Lake Cumberland and be on a boat. I like water. My favorite color is blue, and I have a dog named Oakley. He's a miniature schnauzer. My teaching assistant is...
Hi, I'm Casey Crow. This is my 4th year as a teaching assistant with Mrs. Elkins. I live here in West Milton with my husband and our 3 daughters that are going into 8th grade, 7th grade, and 3rd grade. We enjoy watching the kids play sports, coaching, helping out when we can with that, hanging out with our family and friends, and we also have a cat. His name is Alfred, and I think that my favorite color is purple, even though I don't wear a lot of it. I love it.
Purple's a good color. So our class is going to be small this year, and the boys and girls are going to see us with our mask. Our numbers can grow throughout the year. We're starting out small, and this is not our normal year, so we'll get through this, but it'll be different, but it'll be all right. That's my motto. It'll be all right.
Always been her motto.
It will be, and it always has been. There's some things that you need to know now. Our phone number here is 884-7920, extension 2128, and the 2128 part is our classroom number, 2128.
Which is different. We moved classes just for the year.
We think. We come Monday through Thursday. We follow the Milton-Union schedule, and we're going to ask that the parents check your children's temperature before they come to school. If they show any signs of being sick, keep them home. Make sure they have their physical and a change of clothes and a backpack. The change of clothes can stay here at school. The backpack is for their creations and back and forth communication sometimes. Make sure to call that number if your child is going to be sick. That's probably very important this year. If your child is sick, we need to share that with the classroom. And make sure that, make sure that if someone is picking up your child other than someone on their list, that you let us know and they bring identification for us.
Just look forward to seeing everybody's
Yes.
faces and meeting our new students and having a great school year.
Yes, we're looking forward to seeing them and getting our year started. So we'll see you soon.
Have a good day.